So, friends, today we are going to see the summary of the class 11 poem, The Voice of the Rain. So, in this, the poet Walt Whitman, the poet name is by Walt Whitman. The Voice of the Rain celebrates rain and accompanying water cycle that supports life and benefits of the earth. This poem is based on the rain conversation between rain and the poet. So the poet had conversation with the falling drops. So he asked the rain the question that who art thou? And strangely the rain answers, calling itself the poem of earth. The rain answers that he is a poem of earth. And then the rain says, it is born in form of vapors that rise externally from the earth, land, and the deep water bodies. The rain says to the poet Walt that it is rise from the externally the earth's land and deep water bodies. It then reaches upward toward heaven in the form of clouds. And it remains the same as it was at birth. First it goes to heaven, and then it remains the same. Then it again comes to the origin. The origin of the rain is earth. Like in exam, the question can come, what is origin of earth? The rain. What is origin of rain? Question can come. Question 1, it can come, what is origin of rain in poem? So what you have to write here, it can come for 1 mark. So you can write here is answer is because the rain is formed from the vapors that is being created by the earth, deep sea water bodies from the earth, because then it again comes to its, after being created by vapors, it goes to heaven, then again comes back to the earth, which is the rain's origin, and it washes the raindrop washes away the dust and destroys the drought. Drought means like this is a land and the cracks form on the land is called drought, and it cleans whatever dust is there, it cleans the dust. Then the poet compares the rain to a song which is formed in hearts of human beings, which comes out from the heart after giving a pleasure and joy to one and all, come back to the creator in the form of appreciation. The rain originates from the earth and bottomless sea, soars up to heaven, taking the form of cloud and comes down to give joy to its birthplace. The birthplace of the poem is earth, to make it clean and pure and beautiful. So the earth, the rain, first the clouds are formed by vapors. The cloud goes to heaven, and then the heaven, the clouds again comes back in the form of rain droplets to clean the origin earth, to make it quite pure. So thank you guys. This was our summary on the poem The Voice of Rain, class 11th English. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for and click the bell button for more